it is Ty Miley, and I'm here today with a beautiful sunflower look, or what I like to call a sunflower look. I think it is so cute. I am loving this yellow eyeshadow. Don't like the way it goes on, but I love the way it looks. Yeah, so do we like the look? Are we feeling the look? Is this a yay or a nay? Just let me know. I look really like I read tarot cards right now. This is what I look like. So I'm gonna switch it up for you in a minute, but I'm definitely looking like I'm supposed to read your future, tell you your future, tell you how the universe is here for you, let the universe use you, whatever you want to manifest. This is the vibe that I'm getting with this head wrap on. Okay, what you think? This is my look that I'm going for. You know, quick little messy bob. This is actually a wig that I did a review on. Trying to find the stock cord. This is actually the Venetia by Equal Freetress. Yeah, Equal Freetress Venetia, and it's in the OT copper. I did a review on this one before. I will go ahead and link it below or up top or somewhere. I'll link it or whatever so you can see. So this is my sunflower, kind of like sunrise, sunset. I don't know. This is the look that I was going for though. A little orange, a little brown, but the yellow, I am loving it. My sunflower look that I achieved using that Juvia's palette, Juvia's Place palette. I guess it's called Afrique or Afrique. I don't know. I'm not even gonna make it up. Afrique. Maybe I should have watched another review on how they pronounce it, but I ain't got time for that. So that's the palette. Okay. But this is what I use. I got this from Ulta on sale for like 15 bucks. It's usually 20, but they run, you know, sales, or you can use a coupon or whatever. But I actually only use 3 shadows in here. And I use this orange type of color. I use this brown type of color. And then I use, what was the other one I used? Oh, the yellow. Does I wonder? I don't know what I'm doing right now. You know how like your mind just be all over the place sometimes? That's why I feel like my mind is right now. But I do like the look. So I wanted to show the look with 2 different ways, which I showed it with the head wrap. If you want like that Afrocentric, free spiritual, universe has me type of look. And I'm giving you hot girl summer vibes, you know, if you out here in these streets or whatever. So I'm giving you 2 looks that you can do this makeup with, you know, a simple one or copper copper hair, it's me type of look. But yeah, so that's really it. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you want to give me criticism, like I always say, be nice to me and I'm gonna be nice back to you. Okay, all right. But you know, if you want to leave some comments, a little criticism, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video and to my channel. I appreciate you for watching. If you have any questions, again, Juvia's Place palette, I got that from Ulta with my own coins. So this is the completed look that I have gathered from all my makeup tools and essentials, and I hope that you all like it. I do. I know that I'm still a beginner when it comes to makeup, and I'm really like getting more into it, especially more into the colors. But I think this overall looks really nice. I definitely like what I achieved. I like it with the head wrap that I showed, but I love it like this because I mean, I'm a hot girl. I've been a hot girl since the Cash Money days. Not this Megan Stallion, even though I love Megan. No shade or anything. But I've been a hot girl since the 504 board. No, there was no limit, wasn't it? Yeah, I've been I've been a hot girl since Cash Money days, okay? I was every bit of what? Middle school? Maybe even elementary, singing all the inappropriate songs, but this is giving me hot girl summer vibes or whatever. But so just let me know which one you all like. But again, comment, subscribe, like this video. It's Ty Miley. Thank you for watching.